The third example is trace r square is equal to a square cos 2 theta. Now to trace this curve, again we need to go through the points symmetry, pole, table of values, and then tangents, and then shape of the curve. So the first point is symmetry. As this curve contains cosine term, so we replace theta by minus theta, and after replacement this equation remains as it is, and therefore given curve is symmetric about initial value. So curve is symmetric about initial value. The next point is pole. For getting pole in polar system, put r is equal to 0, and when r is 0, so r square is 0. So this implies a square cos 2 theta is equal to 0 implies cos 2 theta is equal to 0 implies 2 theta is equal to pi by 2, because cos 90 is 0. So 2 theta is pi by 2, and therefore theta is pi by 2. So by putting r0, we got value of theta. It means given curve passes through pole, and the tangent at pole is theta is equal to pi by 2. Now the third point is table of values. Table of values. In this, we will prepare a table which contains the values of theta and r. Now to decide the range of theta, what we do, as equation contains cos 2 theta and cos 2 theta have maximum value 1, cos 2 theta have maximum value 1 at 2 theta is equal to 0, because cos 0 is 1, and this implies theta is equal to 0, and cos 2 theta have minimum value minus 1 at 2 theta is equal to pi, because cos pi is minus 1, and this implies theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so here we will consider the range of theta is from 0 to pi by 2, and in this range we will select at least 4 values of theta. So here we will prepare the table like this: theta and r. The values of theta, it is 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, and then pi by 3, and then pi by 2. Okay, so for these values of theta, what is the value of r? When theta is 0, r square is equal to a square. So cos 0 is 1, so r is plus or minus a. Next, for theta pi by 6, when we substitute in the given equation, and after calculation we will get the values of r as plus or minus 0.78. When theta is pi by 4, so here it is cos 2 pi by 4, it is cos pi by 2, and cos 90 is 0, and therefore value of r is 0. When theta is pi by 3, the values of r is imaginary, so when we calculate it on calculator we will get imaginary value. Similarly, when theta is pi by 2, so here it comes out to be cos 2 pi by 2, that is cos pi, and cos pi is minus 1, so r square is equal to minus a square. It means r is again imaginary. Okay, so for some values of theta we got values of r imaginary. It means curve is absent in this region from pi by 3 or from pi by 4 to pi by 2. Curve is absent because values of r are imaginary. Now we have to to calculate the tangents at some values of theta. Here value of theta pi by 4, but value of r is 0. So already we got tangent at 4 is theta is equal to pi by 4. So here it is not necessary to calculate tangent at theta is equal to pi by 4. So we calculate tangent only at theta is equal to 0. And for that, what we need to do? So we know psi is equal to theta plus phi, where tan phi is r into d theta by dr. So this is nothing but here it is r into 1 upon dr by d theta. So this is value of tan phi. This is suppose equation number 1. Now to get dr by d theta, what I will do? I will consider the given equation. So r square is equal to a square cos 2 theta. When I differentiate this with respect to theta, I will get 2r dr by d theta is equal to, here it is minus 2 a square sin 2 theta. So when I substitute value of dr by d theta here, so I will get tan phi is equal to r into 1 upon minus 2a square sin 2 theta divided by 2r. Okay. Now this is nothing but, therefore tan phi is equal to, so 2 will get cancelled. This r will shift in numerator, so it will become r square. Then r square upon minus a square sin 2 theta. But value of r square is a square cos 2 theta. So a square cos 2 theta divided by minus a square sin 2 theta. And a square will get cancelled. So tan phi is equal to minus cot 2 theta, and this is nothing but phi is equal to tan inverse of minus cot 2 theta, and which is equal to, so phi is equal to tan inverse of, now minus cot 2 theta can be written as tan of pi by 2 plus 2 theta. So tan of pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Now here it is tan inverse of tan, and therefore phi is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Therefore psi is equal to theta plus phi. So it is theta plus pi by 2 plus 2 theta. So psi is equal to pi by 2 plus 3 theta. Isn't it? So we got the value of psi as this. Now we need to find tangent at theta is equal to 0. So when theta is 0, at theta is equal to 0, so what will happen? Psi is equal to pi by 2 plus 0. So this is pi by 2. Thus tangent at theta is equal to 0 is psi is equal to pi by 2. So after getting tangents, now we will move towards the shape of the curve. So shape of the curve. So while tracing the curve, first I will draw initial line and pole. Okay. Now we will plot the points and symmetry we will see at the last. So points are, when theta is 0, r is plus or minus a. Now try to understand. When theta is 0, value of r, it is plus or minus a. When theta is 0, r is plus a, it means this point. So this point is at distance a from pole. And when theta is 0, r is minus a, it means this point. when theta is 0, r is plus or minus a. Theta 0, r is plus a, it is on this side, and r is equal to minus a, it is on this side. So r is equal to minus a, actually distance is not negative. R is equal to minus a means what? Distance is a, but it is in opposite direction. So the points are these 2 points. Next, when theta is pi by 6, it is 30 degree. So when theta is pi by 6, value of r, it is plus or minus 0.78. Now plus or minus 0.78, what it means? When theta is pi by 6, r is 0.7, so it is here. And when theta is pi by 6, r is minus 0.78, so it is here. Okay, so minus sign indicates it is a positive distance in opposite direction. Next, when theta is pi by 4, r is 0. So when theta is pi by 4, r is 0. It means tangent at pole is this line. Tangent at pole is this line. Okay. Now, if this line is tangent at pole, the curve will have shape like this. Isn't it? Now, again, for theta is equal to 0, what is the tangent? For theta is equal to 0, sine equal to pi by 2 is tangent. It means this line is tangent. If this line is tangent at this point, curve will have shape like this. So we will extend this curve through these points, and again this point is tangent. As curve is symmetric about initial line, whatever curve we have drawn on this side, same curve it will be below initial line. Okay. And again one more thing, as equation contains r square and cosine term, so when we replace r by minus r and theta by minus theta simultaneously, then also this equation does not change. And if equation remains unchanged, it means this curve is symmetric with the line theta is equal to pi by 2. So if curve is symmetric about the line theta is equal to pi by 2, whatever curve we have drawn on this side, same curve it will be on this side. And again here also we will get the points like this. Okay. So this is the shape of the curve, and as tangent is at this point, so again it will be tangent at this point. So this is final shape of the curve.